Hello students, I am your maths faculty of Vidya Guru. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe the channel. This complete video will be in English. If you want to see the same video in Hindi, please check out the playlist. Today we are going to discuss some important questions of mensuration 3D. So coming on to our first question. What first question is saying? A height of a right circular cone is given. A cone is given and its height is given. What is its height given? 35 centimeter. 35 centimeter. And question is saying area of its curved surface. What is curved surface area of cone? It is pi r l. L is the slant height. This is height and this is radius. This is radius. Area of its curved surface is 4 times area of its base. Area of base means area of this, and this is what? Circle. Question is saying area of its curved surface is 4 times area of its base. Circle area is pi r square and it is its 4 times. So we can get a relation from here. Pi will be cancelled and 1 r will be cancelled and L is equal to 4r. L is equal to 4r. That means if this is 1, then L will be 4. This form right angle triangle. So if I need to find out slant height, so what will be Pythagoras theorem? 4 square minus 1, this will be root 15. Value of root 15 is 35 according to question. So I need to find value of 1. Value of 1 will be 35 by root 15. So this is the radius and this is the height. Value of root 15 is 35, so value of 1 will be 35 by root 15. Question is asking what is the volume in 10 to power minus 3 meter cube. What is volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3, 22 by 7, what is r? 35 into 35 and root 15 into root 15 will be 15. And what is height? 35. Height is 35. So if I cancel out now, 7 5 times will be 35, 5 3 times, 5 3 times, and 20, what is left? 22 into 35 into 35 by 9. This will be approximately equal to 2994 meter cube. Centimeter cube. Question is asking answer in the 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube. So 3 decimal will be shifted here. 2.994 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube. So option number A is the correct answer of this question. So moving on to our next question. What next question is saying? Next question is saying a cylinder 84 meter long, 84 centimeter. There is a cylinder 84. Its height is given 84. Its height is given 84. It's made of a steel. Its internal and external diameters are given. That means it is a hollow cylinder. It is a hollow cylinder. It is a hollow cylinder. And its internal and external diameter are given. External diameter is given 10, so external radius will be 5, and internal diameter is given 8, so internal radius will be 4. So question is asking what is the volume of the steel. That means in 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube, same. So volume of hollow cylinder is I need to find steel. That means this volume is asked. This volume is asked in the question. This volume. So how can I find this volume? By the volume of outer cylinder, I will minus the volume of internal cylinder. So this will be left. So volume of hollow cylinder is pi r square minus r square into h, where r is the radius of outer cylinder and small r is the radius of the inner cylinder. So if I put the values 22 by 7, 5 square minus 4 square, and what is the height? 84. I can cancel this out. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, and if I apply a plus b, a minus b in this, 5 plus 4 will be 9 and 5 minus 4 will be 1 into 12. I can now check out by a unit digit. What will be the unit digit if I multiply all this? 9 to the 18 and 18 to the 16. So unit digit will be 6. Unit digit will be 6. So only one option unit digit is 6, which is 2.376. So this will be the answer. What I have done? 9 to the 18 and 18 to 16. 16 means unit digit will be 6. After this multiplication, unit digit will be 6, which is only in one option, 2.376. So this is the correct answer of this question. So coming on to our next question. What next question is saying? Total surface area of a right circular cylinder is given. What is total surface area of cylinder? What is total surface area of cylinder? 2 pi r bracket h plus r. This is the TSA of cylinder, and in this is given 1848 centimeter square. In next statement question is saying the ratio of total surface area and curved surface area. What is curved surface area of cylinder? 2 pi r h. Ratio is given 3:1. Now I can establish a relation from here. This will be cancelled out. If I cross multiply, h plus r will be equal to 3h. That means r is equal to 2h. Question is asking volume of cylinder is what? If I put this value in this equation, r is equal to 2h, 2 pi in place of r 2h and place of h and place of r 2h. This is given 1848. So 2 into 22 by 7, this will be 3h and 3 to the 6h square, 1848. 2 pi 2h, this will be 3h into 2h, 6h square. I can cancel this out. 11 2 times will be 22, 11 one time, what will be left? 74, 11 6 and 11 8. Now 6 to the 12, 2 to the 4, 4 4 is 16 and 4 to the 8 and 6 7 is 42. So h and 1 7 is there, h square will be what? 7 into 7. So h will be equal to 7. Then what will be the value of r? R will be equal to 14. Now I can easily find the volume of cylinder. What is volume? Pi r square h, pi r square into h, pi r square h. 7 2 times. Again we can check the answer by unit digit. What will be the unit digit? 2 to the 4, 4 to 16, 7 is 42. But in two questions unit digit is 2, so we need to multiply it. So when we will multiply it, 44 7 times will be 7 4 28, 302 14 times. So it will be more 4312 will be the correct answer of this question. So coming on to our next question. What next question is saying? A solid metallical sphere of radius 6.3 cm is melted into a right circular cone of height. What is the ratio of diameter of the base and height of the cone? If some solid body is melted into another body, another shape, that means in this question sphere is melted into a cone, then volume remains same. Volume always remains same. So volume of sphere will be equal to volume of cone. From there I can find the radius and then I can find the ratio of diameter and height. Sphere volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube and cone volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Radius will be different. Here I will take capital R. So 4 by 3 pi, what is r given of sphere? 6.3. So 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. It will be equal to the volume of cone. These two volumes will be equal because this shape is melted into this. Only volume remains same. The total surface area, curved surface area, everything changes, but volume remains same. 1 by 3 pi and height is given 25.2. r square into 25.2. If I cancel out, pi will be cancelled out, this 3 will be cancelled out, 4, 6 and 4 3s are 6.3 will be cancelled out, r square will be equal to 6.3 square. So r will be equal to 6.3. So what will be the diameter? 2r, which will be equal to 2 into 6.3, that will be 12.6. Question is asking ratio of diameter and height of cone. Diameter and height. Diameter is 12.6. What was height given? 25.2. If this is 2 times of this, so ratio will be 1:2. So what will be the ratio? 1:2. Option number D is the correct answer. Ratio of diameter to height was asked, so ratio will be 1:2. So coming on to our next question. Next question is saying there is a conical vessel whose radius is 18 cm and height is 60 cm, and it contains a liquid, and that liquid is poured in a cylinder. Again, the liquid is poured in the cylinder, so volume of liquid will remain same. So volume of liquid in cone will be equal to volume of liquid in cylinder. Volume will be equal in both cases. What is the volume of cone? 1/3 pi r square h. And what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. Now we just need to put the values. Pi will be cancelled. 1/3 radius of cone is given 18 into 18, and height of cone is given 60, and radius of cylindrical vessel is given 15 into 15, and question is asking liquid will be raised to what height. That means height is actually asked. 3 6 times will be 18, 15 4 times is 18, 5 3 times, sorry, it will not be divisible by 5, 3 5 times, 3 6 times. So height will be equal to 6 6 are 36, 4 6 are 24, 144 by 5. If I cancel this out, this will be 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are 40, 28.8 centimeter. So height will be raised to 28.8 centimeter, which is option number D. The liquid of cone was poured in cylinder, so volume will remain same. So volume is same and height will come 28.8. Coming on to our next question. Question is saying a right circular cylinder of maximum possible height is cut from a wooden cube. The remaining material of the cube is what percent of the original cube? Remaining material is what percent of the original cube? Now let this is cube. Let this is a cube. From this, a cylinder of maximum volume. That means this will be the cylinder. Like this will be the cylinder. That means height of cylinder, radius of cylinder will be what? Half of the side of the cube. Let side of cube is 2a. Let side of cube is 2a. So radius of cylinder will be cylinder. Radius of cylinder will be this, half of the length of cube. So radius will be a. And what will be the height of cylinder? Height will be equal to the side of cube, which is equal to 2a, and side of cube is 2a. This is side of cube. This is side of cube. Now question is asking, after this is taken out, the remaining volume is how much percent of the original cube. So I will take a ratio of volume of cube upon volume of cylinder. What will be the volume? What is the volume of cube? Side cube. What is side? 2a. That means 2a cube. And what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. Question is saying take pi as 3.14. R square h. R is what? A square, and h. H is what? 2a. 2a. So this will be 8a cube by 3.14, and this will be 2a cube. This will be cancelled out. 2 4 times. If I remove decimal, 400 by 314. This can again be cancelled out. 200 by 2 ones are 2, 157. That means volume of Q was 200 and 157 volume is taken out as a form of cylinder. And what is the remaining volume? Volume was Q was 200 and of cylinder is 157. And what is the remaining volume? Remaining volume will be the remaining volume of remaining part of cube. So it will be 200 minus 157, which will be equal to what? 43. 43. It is what percentage of the original cube? Original cube was 200 and now it is left 43 into 100. This will be cancelled out. 2 to the 4, 21.5%. 21.5%. B option is the correct answer. What I have done, I have taken the ratio of volume of cube to the volume of cylinder, and now volume of cube was 200, that means cylinder was 157, then the remaining part is the remaining cube, which will be equal to 43. It is what percent of original cube? It is what percent of original cube? So it is 21.5%. It is 21.5% of the original cube. Coming on to our next question. What next question is saying? A diameter of a wheel of a bicycle is 126. Diameter is given of a wheel of a bicycle 126 centimeter. What will be the radius? Divided by 2, 63 centimeter. Question is saying a cyclist takes 16 hole 1 by 2. Time is given 16 hole 1 by 2 minute, or it can be written as 33 by 2 minutes. 33 by 2 minutes to reach its destination. Speed of 72 km per hour. 72 km per hour with this speed, and this is in centimeter. This is in centimeter. Time is 33 by 2 and speed is 72 km per hour. Find the number of revolutions. What is, let this is wheel. It starts in how when it will complete its one revolution. This is the distance covered in one revolution. So what is this? This is circumference. This is the distance covered in one revolution. So this is circumference. So what will be the distance in one revolution? That will be equal to circumference of wheel. What is circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 63, and number of revolution, let it be r. This is distance covered in one revolution. Let number of revolutions be r multiplied by r. This will be equal to what? Distance covered by a boy till it to reach its destination. What is distance? Speed into time. 72. This was in centimeter. This was in centimeter. This is in 72 kilometer. To convert it in centimeter, we will multiply it by, first I converted into meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So multiplied by 1000, then multiplied by 100, and 72 kilometer per hour. So I will convert this also in minute by multiplying it by 60, because time is given in minute. I converted this in centimeter and time in minute. Multiplied by time, 33 by 2. Just solve it and you will get the exact answer. 7 9 times is 63. 9 to 18. 18 4 times is 72. 11 2s are 22. 11 3s are 33. What is left? 2 is left. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. This 2 will be cancelled out, and 3 20 times, and 2 10 5000. Revolution will be what? 5000. I have just calculated it. You can calculate it at anyway. Answer will come 5000 revolution, which is option number D. In 5000 revolution, boy will cover this much distance with 72 kilometer, whatever he covered in 33 by 2 meter. In 5000 revolution, this distance will be covered. So coming on to our next question. What next question is saying? The volume of a right pyramid is given. What is volume of pyramid? Volume of pyramid is, what is pyramid? In this question, equilateral triangle pyramid is given. What is pyramid? Whose base will be equilateral triangle, and these all will meet somewhere here. These all will meet somewhere here. This is pyramid. If this was square pyramid, and base will be square, and they will meet at apex. This is called apex. This is called apex. So this is pyramid. So what is volume of pyramid? 1/3 area of base into height. 1/3 area of base into height. This is volume of pyramid. Question is given, the volume of right pyramid is 45√3 centimeter cube. Value of this is given, and it is an equilateral triangle. Base is equilateral triangle of side 6 centimeter. Base is given equilateral triangle whose side is 6 centimeter. The question is asking what is the height of pyramid. So 1/3 area of base, area is what? Equilateral triangle. Its area is √3/4 side square. √3/4 side square. What is side? 6. 6 into 6 and into height. Height we need to find out. This is equal to what? Volume. Volume is given 45√3. 45√3 is given. We just need to calculate it. √3 will be cancelled out. 3 2 times 6, 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6, and this will also be cancelled out. 3 1 15, 3 is 45. So height will be equal to what? 15 centimeter. This was very easy and very basic question. You just need to remember the formula, and this can be easily solved, very easily solved. So coming on to our next question. What next question is saying? A cuboid is given of dimension what? Cuboid is given of dimension 32 into 12 into 9. 32 into 12 into 9. These are the sides of measurement of cuboid. This is cut into 2 cubes. Again, if this is cut into 2 cubes, then volume will remain same. What is the volume of cuboid? L into B into H. This volume will be equal to the volume of 2 cubes. Let side of each cube is A. 2 into A cube. So first we need to find the side of cube. 2 into A cube. This will be equal to 6. So A cube will be equal to what? 32 into 6 into 9. I will break them. 8 into 4. Multiply 2 into 3 into 9. So A cube will, for A, I will take cube root 8, multiply them 8 and 9 3 is 27. What will be the value of A? 8 2 will come out, this 8 2 will come out, and 27 3 2 will come out. Side of cube will be equal to 12. Now question is asking ratio of the surface area to the cuboid to the total surface area of cube. So total surface area of cuboid to cube. So what is the side of cube is 12 centimeter. 12. Ratio is asked, what is the surface area of cuboid to LB plus BH plus HL. Ratio 2 cubes of 2 cubes is asked. So 2 into total surface area of each cube is 6A square. 6A square. We just need to put values now. 2 32 into 12 plus 12 into 9 plus 9 into 32. Here 2 6 into 12 into 12. 6 into 12 into 12. We just need to solve it. What will come here? 12 2 times is 24. 12 3 times 36, 384. 12 9 times is 108. 9 2s are 18. 9 3 27, 288. Ratio 2 into 6 into 12 into 12. You just don't need to multiply them. We will take ratio. What will come here? 2. 8 8 16 4 20. 8 8 16 plus 2 18. 3 4 5 6 7 80. And here 2 into 6 into 12 into 12. This 2 will be cancelled out. 6 130 and 2 6 and 65. So 65 here is left, and 12 6 times is 72. So what will be the answer? 65 ratio 72. This will be the ratio of the surface area of the cuboid and the two cubes. So coming on to our next question. What next question is saying? A sector of radius 10.5 centimeter. There is a sector of radius 10.5 centimeter. The central angle 120. That means this is the sector of circle 120 degree, and its radius is 10.5 centimeter. From this a cone is made. So we just need to find out what is the volume of cone so formed. So remember two things. This radius will always be equal to the slant height of cone. This radius will always be equal to the slant height of cone. How we can find radius? To find radius, first we need to find this is what part of circle. This is 120 degree and whole circle is of 360 degree. So this is 1/3 part of circle. So radius will be equal to what part of circle is taken multiply radius of sector. This is 1/3 part of circle, so radius will be equal to 1/3 into 10 into 5. If this was 90, so this is what part of circle? 1/4. So radius will be equal to 1/4 whatever radius is given here, and radius will be always equal to slant height, and by this way we can find the radius. So radius will be equal to what? 3.5 centimeter. To find volume we need to find the height. So to find its height, if I take the ratio 3.5 10.5, ratio will be what? 5:21. So height will be equal to hypotenuse square minus radius square. So it will be equal to 441 minus 49, which will be equal to root 392, which can be written as 14 root 2. Come 14 root 2, but according to this ratio 7 value is 3.5, which is 0.5 times. So this 14 root 2 will be 0.5 times 7 root 2. So what is the volume? 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r is what? 3.5 into 3.5 into 7 root 2. If I remove this decimal, this will be 52 times 7, 52 times 7, 7 cube is 343 root 2 pi by 3 to the 6 to the 12 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the cone formed from the quadrant. So coming on to our next question. A question is saying there is a quadrant and these are 4 semicircle where XA is equal to 7. XA is given 7. Question is asking what is the area of the shaded region. See, if I subtract area of these 4 semicircles from this quadrant, so I will get my answer, but this common area will be subtracted 2 times. So what can I do? I can form a square here. This will touch it at midpoint, and here also it will touch at midpoint. So 1 semicircle, 2 semicircle, and these 2 parts will form a third semicircle, and this is a square. So we will not subtract this area 2 times then. So what will be the area? Area XA is given 7. So XB will be equal to what? XB will be equal to 14. So area of shaded region will be area of quadrant minus area of 3 semicircles, one this, and these 2 parts will form a 1 semicircle. 3 semicircle plus area of square. What will be the side of square? Side of square will be equal to the radius of semicircle, which is 7 by 2. So how can we find area of quadrant? Pi by 4, because pi r square is area of square, so pi by 4, and r square, what is radius? 14. 14 into 14 minus area of 3 semicircles, 3 into pi by 2 r square, what will be r? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, and plus area of square, which is side square, 7 by 2 whole square. So if I put value of pi, 14 into 14 minus 3 into 22 by 7 into 2, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 plus 49 by 4, 49 by 4, 7 2 times 14, 2 2s are 4, and 2 7 times 14. This will come, if I solve this here, 154. 7 will be cancelled out, this 2 will be cancelled out from this. So what will be left? 7 11 77, 3 7s are 21, and 3 7s are 21, 2 33 31 by 4, and that will be equal to 49 by 4 minus 154 minus this will form what? 9 1 10, 4 5 6 7 8, 280, so minus 70. What will be the area of shaded region? 154 minus 70, which will be equal to what? 84. 84, which is option number D. What I have done, if I will take 4 semicircles, this common area will come 2 times, so I formed a square here. This will touch 2 circles at the centers, so this 1 semicircle, 2 semicircle, and these 2 part will form 1 semicircle and this square. So I have subtracted area of 3 semicircle plus area of square from the area of quadrant, which is equal to 84, which is the correct answer of this question. So coming on to our next question. Next question is saying a regular square pyramid has side base 20 centimeter. A regular square pyramid base is square this time, and its height is 45, and is recasted into regular triangular pyramid. So volume will again be equal. What is volume of pyramid? 1 by 3 area of base into height. This area will be equal to recast into triangular pyramid, so equilateral base of each side 10 centimeter and height 10 root 3 centimeter. What is the total number of regular triangle pyramid? How many triangular pyramid will be formed? Let n will be formed, and what will be the area? 1 upon 3 area of base into height. This 1 with by 3 will be cancelled. Here area of base, it is square, so area will be 20 square, 20 into 20, and what will be its height? Height will be 45. Now let n will be formed. This is equilateral triangle, its area will be root 3 by 4 side square, 10 into 10, and height is given 10 root 3. I just need to solve it and find the value of n from here. 10 10 2 times 20, 2 times 20, and here 2 to the 4, 2 5 is a 10, 5 9 times 45, and this root 3 will form 3, 3 3 is a 9. So n will be equal to what? 2 to the 4, 3 is a 12, and 2 is here, so 12 into 2, 24 triangular pyramid will be formed. This is melted into this, so area will volume will remain same. So after putting the volume same, n will be equal to 24, that means 24 triangular pyramids will be formed. Thank you very much. To such more videos, please like, share and subscribe the channel.